Hey everybody, what is up? My name is Sean Hatzel. I'm a 47-year-old stubborn fat expert. I'm the creator of the Over-40 Hormone Reset Diet, and I specialize in helping people in their 40s, 50s, or 60s reactivate declining hormones to boost the metabolism, to maintain a healthy weight, and to live a longer, leaner, healthier life. And inside this video, if you're over 40 years old, you're going to want to pay close attention because I'm going to stir the pot. I'm going to cause some controversy. I'm going to share 3 pitfalls of the traditional ketogenic diet and why it does not cater to the current hormonal condition of people over 40 years old. Now, fortunately, you can get all the same benefits as the ketogenic diet, and you can even eat the same exact foods, the high-fat friendly foods that you eat on a ketogenic diet, using my 1-day, 24-hour hormone resetting protocol that you can find at the link around this video. Now, don't click it, don't tap it yet, because I want to share these 3 potential pitfalls. And the first one is the most important one. That is adherence. It's very difficult to adhere to a ketogenic diet. So even though it can initially be very effective for losing weight and can be very therapeutic, it's very difficult to adhere to. You see this little chicken breast I was holding up? Smells amazing. Wrapped in bacon, delicious. Seems like the ultimate keto food. Well, it's not. It has too much protein. And when you eat too much protein on a ketogenic diet, so you want to eat that big fat steak, whenever you do this, the body switches gears from burning ketones as fuel to burning protein as fuel. This is a process called gluconeogenesis. Now, it doesn't just end with protein. Want some wine? Want a martini? Want your favorite beer? It's going to take you out of ketosis and you're starting all over again. And sometimes it can take days, weeks, even over a month for some people to get back into a true state of ketosis. Now, that doesn't end there. Apples, fruits, your favorite pasta like this chickpea healthy pasta. You can't eat any of this stuff on a ketogenic diet because it will take you out of ketosis. So there's pitfall number 1, the most important one, adherence. Very, very difficult and hard to adhere to. The second pitfall is suppressing your thyroid hormones. Remember, the thyroid gland is considered the master gland of the metabolism, and it helps regulate your weight and it helps regulate the metabolic rate. So when you go on a ketogenic diet, you avoid all glucose. Well, here's the kicker. Glucose from your favorite carbs, like potatoes or sweet potatoes or carrots or any other root vegetables, it's a building block that helps your body produce thyroid hormones. So glucose is the primary building block of TSH, which is thyroid stimulating hormone. And when you go on a ketogenic diet, you avoid glucose altogether, and it can suppress T4 to T3 conversion. This is very critical for your long-term health and your long-term success. The third and final pitfall of the ketogenic diet is the keto flu. So anytime that you want to start a ketogenic diet, you eliminate all carbohydrates and replace them with high-fat friendly foods. And it takes days, like I mentioned, sometimes weeks, sometimes months, to get into that true state of ketosis. But even if you can do it in just a couple days, you're most likely going to suffer the consequences of something called the keto flu. And the keto flu can lead to reduced physical and mental performance, digestive discomfort and constipation, headaches, insomnia, bad breath, muscle weakness and fatigue, even mineral deficiencies. So you can avoid all of these pitfalls of the ketogenic diet, and you can still coax the body in producing tons of ketones simply by following the 1-day diet protocol at the link around this video, specifically designed to cater to the current hormonal condition of people over 40 years old. And in 1 day following this particular protocol, research shows you can increase your growth hormone levels up to 1,200%. It coaxes the body to release adrenaline. This is a hormone responsible for helping you maintain a healthy weight. It boosts the metabolism and it fights the aging process. So somewhere on this video, you see a link to click or tap where you can go learn all about it. If you got something out of this video, do me a favor, drop a comment below and say, "Thank you, Sean." Hit the like button, and most importantly, share this with all your friends who are over 40 years old. Share the wisdom, share the knowledge. This is the same exact 1-day diet protocol my wife Karen and I use. I'm a 47-year-old grandpa. We have 6 grandkids. Karen's 11 years older than me, and she used the same exact diet protocol to help her come back from a journey after she was diagnosed with colorectal cancer, and it forced her into what we call premature menopause. And this wreaked havoc on her hormones and basically destroyed her metabolism. Well, this one-day hormone resetting protocol that you find at the link around this video ended up being her solution. And you can read all about her story and see her amazing after photos by clicking the link around this video. And I personally maintained six-pack abs for over the last 10 years in a row following this protocol. I don't share any of this to impress you, just to impress upon you that it works and it caters to the current hormonal condition to your body if you're over 40 years old. So thanks for watching and God bless.